All right, Gloria. Out. Dilly, look at your horsey. You like that better?
Put him on it, Les.
You like the air purifier? Let's go on the horsey. Look. Look. What do you think of that? You want to go on it? Let's go on the horsey. Hold on. Yeah, look. Yeah, that fun? Fun horsey. All right, hold on. Hold on. Whee. Whee. Are you having fun?
Dylan.
What do you think? Excited? Say, ride him, cowboy. Say, giddy up.
Save a horse, ride a cowboy.
What do you think of the horsey? You're really sliding back on it. Should we put you up a little more?
Make him rock, Les.
Okay. Whee! Rocky rock. Whee! You're falling off. Hold on, baby. Okay. Woo! Say, nice horsey. Nice horsey. Good horsey.
Merry Christmas, Daniel.
Merry Christmas.
Guten Morning, ja.
Let's see.
Guten Morning, Leslie.
Good morning. Dylan's first Christmas. Got a rocking horse from Granny and Papa. Granny A and Papa. And he also got NC State gear.
Look at this, Daniel.
Setting him up for failure.
And this one. And this one.
Pop's a good grandfather, isn't he?
For not getting him Carolina Blue.
That's right.
That'll be
Chloe,
Uncle Daniel.
Gloria, out.
That'll be Uncle Daniel's job.
Glory, out.
Don't worry, Dylan. I'll never let him put that crap on you.
What do you think? You like the horsey? Horsey. Isn't that cute? Cute horsey. Yeah. Yeah. Soon you'll be pulling yourself up and going on your horsey by yourself. Nice horsey. Yeah. That's a great present. It's a great present. Say yay.
Remember, Papa saw those videos of us at Christmas?
Oh, God. He'd film everything.
Yeah.
Really?
Okay, here's Daniel getting ready to go use the bathroom. And it was great.